Imagine you've just built a dazzling AI agent demo using AutoGen. The multi-agent orchestration is impressive, and everything works perfectly in your test environment. But then, your boss asks if it's ready for production. Suddenly, you're scrambling to add monitoring, authentication, and compliance. You realize you need the enterprise features of Semantic Kernel, but integrating them means rewriting your entire project. This is a common pain point for developers, balancing the excitement of rapid innovation with the demands of production reliability. Microsoft has just released a solution that ends this struggle, merging the best of both worlds into a single open-source framework. Developers have long faced a tough choice. Use Semantic Kernel for its robust enterprise-grade features, or opt for AutoGen's exciting multi-agent capabilities. Semantic Kernel offers stability, memory management, and compliance essential for production. AutoGen, on the other hand, enables agents to collaborate, debate, and reflect, making demos truly shine. Each tool has its strengths and passionate followers, but neither could fully satisfy both innovation and reliability needs. Microsoft listened to the community's plea. Why not have both in one framework? Now, that's finally possible. Microsoft's new agent framework merges the philosophies of AutoGen and Semantic Kernel into a single toolkit. Think of it as combining a Ferrari's engine with a Volvo's safety features, speed, and reliability, all in one package. This means you can now build multi-agent systems with advanced collaboration patterns while enjoying robust state management, type safety, and plug-in architecture. Best of all, it's open source and available on GitHub under the MIT license, making it accessible for everyone from solo developers to large enterprises. Microsoft promises that creating your first AI agent with the new framework takes just a few lines of code. You simply install the package, define your agent, and run it. The framework is designed to scale with your needs. Start with a single agent, then add multi-agent workflows, integrate tools, and deploy to Azure, all without switching frameworks or rewriting code. This ease of use means no more prototype-only disclaimers in your demos. You can move from experimentation to production seamlessly. Unlike many AI frameworks that force you to choose a single programming language, Microsoft's agent framework supports both Python and .NET with full feature parity. Python developers can use pip to install, while .NET developers get a NuGet package. This is a game changer for enterprise teams where different groups may prefer different languages. Now, machine learning engineers can prototype in Python, while back-end teams build in CNumber, all within the same unified framework. One of the standout features is the ability to define entire multi-agent workflows using YAML or JSON. This means your AI workflow is now code version controlled, reviewable, and easily rolled back. Microsoft even provides a Visual Studio Code extension that visualizes your agents as nodes in a graph, making it easy to see how they interact. Workflows support checkpointing, human-in-the-loop interactions, and persistent state for long-running processes, bridging the gap between autonomous AI and structured business processes. The agent framework allows you to combine the flexibility of autonomous AI with the structure of deterministic business processes. With features like checkpointing, human-in-the-loop approvals, and persistent state, you can create auditable, reliable flows that still leverage the power of AI. This is especially valuable for enterprises that need both innovation and compliance in their workflows. Enterprise-grade observability is built in. Every action an agent takes is traced via OpenTelemetry and integrates with Azure Monitor. Model calls, tool invocations, and inter-agent messages are all logged and traceable. Microsoft has even contributed enhancements to OpenTelemetry specifically for multi-agent systems, so you can treat your AI agents like any other microservice in your infrastructure. Security is not an afterthought in the agent framework. It includes intra-ID integration for authentication, access control for enterprise APIs, and human-in-the-loop checkpoints for sensitive operations. Responsible AI safeguards like prompt filtering ensure your agents can securely access company data while respecting identity and policy rules. This makes the framework suitable for even the most regulated industries. The agent framework is built on open standards, ensuring you're never locked into a single vendor. It supports OpenAPI for tool plugins, Model Context Protocol, MCP, for dynamic tool integration, and agent-to-agent, A2A, messaging for seamless inter-agent communication. Your agents can interact with any REST API or external service, making the framework highly extensible and future-proof. This isn't just theory. Real companies are already using the agent framework. KPMG built KPMG Clara AI for audit data, relying on the framework's compliance features. Commerzbank is piloting AI agents for customer support, praising the simplified coding and full MCP support. Major organizations like BMW, Fujitsu, Citrix, and TeamViewer are exploring use cases from vehicle telemetry to IT automation. Early results suggest this could become the standard for enterprise AI agents. The agent framework solves the fundamental tension in AI development: innovation versus production readiness. No longer do you have to choose between the experimental flexibility of AutoGen and the enterprise stability of Semantic Kernel. Whether you're a solo developer or a large team, you can now scale from a simple Hello World agent to a mission-critical production system, all within the same framework, and all open source. Let's recap the key features that make Microsoft's agent framework a game-changer. Multi-agent orchestration, with group chats and debates, declarative workflows using YAML or JSON, cross-language support for Python and .NET, enterprise observability with OpenTelemetry and Azure Monitor, robust security and governance, open standards for integration, and visual tooling with VS Code and Azure AI Foundry. All of this is open source and ready for you to use. At the heart of this breakthrough is the agent framework itself. It's a unified open-source toolkit that brings together the best of AutoGen and Semantic Kernel. Designed for both rapid prototyping and enterprise-grade deployment, it supports multi-agent orchestration, robust state management, cross-language compatibility, and open standards. The agent framework is poised to become the foundation for the next generation of enterprise AI agents. The agent framework is available now on GitHub MIT, licensed and ready for use. Whether you're building your first agent or deploying complex regulated AI systems, you now have a toolkit that scales with your ambitions. 8 out of 10 enterprises are already using agent-based AI. The real question is, will you build on a fragmented stack or embrace a unified, production-ready framework? Microsoft just gave you the answer. The future of enterprise AI agents starts here.